wanted. So I'm going to pause it and start all over again. Okay. Okay, so this is it. So let's hit here to see our website. So this is our website, tutorial.varsitysolutions.com. You can see how simple it is. It is very simple to install. You can see it. So this is it. But the look is very, very poor. So we just go back to the admin and do something reasonable. So that is how to install WordPress on the internet using the cPanel. So let's get back to the Apache, which is on the local server. Okay, so on the local server, what I need to do is I need to create a database. So I'm going to go to my PHP, my admin, and as well I will need to download WordPress. So I can just go to wordpress.org and click on Get WordPress here, and then once I click on Get WordPress, it will redirect me to WordPress download. You can see it here. Okay, so I've I have it already, so you can just download. It is recommending servers for you: Bluehost, SiteGround, and all this. So this is it. I'll just click on download, and then the download will start. For me, I already have it. So what I will just do is I will just go to my download folders, and download folders, and I will need to search for it. So this is it, WordPress. So copy the file, then go over to your C drive under example, then go to your htdoc folder and double click there. Now create a folder for it. Create a folder. So let's call it what will I call it? tutor me, and create the folder. Double click to open the folder. Sorry, double click to open the folder. My system is getting down. It's getting down, and I don't like it. So just go there, extract it, say extract here. Let me close some of these. Okay. So this is actually wasting time. I we need to. Okay, so I've extracted it successfully. You can just go ahead and delete this one. Let me just leave it because I don't have the time. So let's minimize this. So now the PHP my admin is successfully loaded, so we can just go here and create a new database. So let's call it tutor me again. Tutor me. And let's create it. Okay, see, database tutor me has been created. So now let's go back to this localhost. You can say localhost slash, instead of saying php my admin, instead of php my admin, you now say localhost slash the file name, which is, oh sorry about that, which is tutor.me. So it will take you to the directory. Just click on, just for formality's sake, so that I don't make mistake, I just click on this WordPress, and the index folder is going to open. Now the installation will start. Okay, so I have it successfully opened. So what I will do is I will select the language of my choice. So I've selected English, and I'll click on continue. So the reason why this is taking time is because I am running on my local computer, and my computer already has a lot of cache. So you can see where you see informations about how to go about it, the installation. So you can see database name, database username, database password, and database host. So you just click on let's go. Now make sure you always read all these informations, because they are going to help you whenever you encounter a problem. So my database name is tutor.me, while my database username as the default is root. The password is no password. Then the database host is localhost, and this is correct. Table prefix is correct. Just allow it as WP underscore. Click on submit, and it will take some time. It will take some time. Okay, so the installation has been run successfully. You can say, alright Sparky, you have made it through this part of the installation. WordPress can now communicate with your database. If you are ready, time now to let's run the installation. Of course, my example is running on PHP version 8. Now I will still show you in our next class how to identify the PHP version, and also in the other aspect of it, how to upgrade your PHP Okay, so let's set our site name to tutor.me, and then the username should be admin, because I don't want to suffer myself, and the password should be pass, and confirm use of weak password, yes. Okay, now install, and that's all. This is the whole detail, and WordPress will be installed on your local machine. So let's go okay, so let's log in. Is admin, and this is pass. Okay, so this is our dashboard. Just the same way, in this one, you can see that this is our dashboard also. So the difference between this and this is that this is stored on the local machine, so you can use it. You don't need to go and buy what is it called, hosting or a domain name to start practicing. The reason why I have to show you this local aspect of it is that it will enable you to practice constantly. So the more you practice, the more you learn. That is how to go about it. Web development is easy if you put up effort to learn it. But if you just relax, okay, after all, I've attended this class, I've already known it, you see that you encounter different problems, and that might discourage you from seeking for a career in it. So, but if you practice it constantly, you see different errors, you see different challenges, and the more you solve all these things, all these challenges and all these problems, the more you learn and the more you advance. Okay, all right. So let's get back to work. Let's use the internet so that it will be a little bit faster for us to customize. Now, the first thing we need to do now is to go to our appearance and then go to theme. Now, I want to show you something here. There are free themes and there are paid themes. Now, the free themes, you find them here, although it is not all of them that are free. You can just go here and click on add new. Don't wait for it to load because you don't have time. Just go to add theme. So there are several themes here, out of which some of them are paid while some of them are free. Even the free ones, they have some aspect of them that are that requires you to pay before you can get them. Okay, so let us just download any theme of a choice. Okay, let me just select I don't know, let's go to Eduma. Let's check if we can find anything. mm, I don't think okay, this theme is okay. So let's look for something nice. um, okay, let's check for um, company. Let's check. Okay, so I think this is good, and this is good, and this is good, this is good, this is also good. Let's wait for it to load. This is also good. um, Construction company. Okay, let's just select this, click on install. Now, before you install anything, you need to go and read up about it. Just click on the details and preview, and you see everything you need to know about the theme. So, but for now, I don't have enough time. In any other video, if you have any question there, you can just chat me up. I will know how to go about it. I'm trying to minimize the time we have to spend here so that it won't be up to or more than 1 hour, because this is a crash course. It has to contain everything we need to know. So this is it. Now, this was our website before, and now that we have installed a theme, let's see how the website will look like. Now, you notice that there will be some changes. Let's wait for it. Here in Nigeria, everything is slow, even the network. So we have to manage it like that. So you can see that it is a little bit complicated now. It is not looking like the way it is before. And there is something I also want you to know. It is called responsiveness. You need to make your website responsive in all the device. So for instance, now this is the browser view. Um, and then this is the desktop view. So you can see that it is responsive. It is automatically adjusting to the width of the browser or the device that you use to open it. Now, what next? Let's go back to our admin. Congratulations, company is now installed and ready to use. Click below to see team documentation, plugin to install, and other details to get started. So let's go to get go to the get started. Let's click on it. Go to the get started. Okay, so this is it. So we have free versus pro. Like I told you before, you have some of these things. Um, they will tell you it's free, but there are some aspect of it you have to pay. Okay, so let's just install and activate this. Install and activate this. Install and activate this. All these things are the plugins. What a plugin is, just the function the website will play. There are two parts of this that is very important. That are very important. This is this part, which is the appearance, where the customer sees, and you use Teams to control it. And this part, which is the plugin, this is where the function can be installed, what the website will perform, and the actions that you want it to perform at a particular um, time. Okay, so we have activated all these. So let's activate the Rara one click demo importer. So we want to import a demo. What is the demo? This website in the team, you see how it is, but here in this particular website, you see it is just an empty website. So let's go and import the theme, and it will look exactly like what we saw before we installed it. So let me go ahead and pause again. All right, so we have done that successfully, and the next thing is getting started. Okay, we have all these. Let's check getting started. View documentation. You can see the documentations, contact support, and view demo. Let's view the demo so that we can see how our website is supposed to look. Okay, so here you can see all the demo. That's the actual way your website is going to look. So that is what they mean by. Okay, this is our demo, so we can download it now. So you can see how beautiful it is. Though my this thing, my network is very poor. I'm in a very poor location where network is is like Bitcoin. uh, all right, so this is the demo, and this is how it will look on mobile devices. This is how it will look on mobile devices. Most people here right now, they operate using their mobile devices, and that's why you have to take into consideration how it will look on mobile devices. Then this is how it will look on tablets. So you can see now this is how it will look on what is it desktop. So let's go ahead and download this. Okay, so let's add our email. Let's add first name. Okay, let's see, let me use this, and this is it. So the demo will be emailed to my mail, then I'll have to download it and install it through the demo importer. So you can see it is gone. So I've purchased this demo. Okay, so let's get to my mail, because it will be mailed to me. So let's get to my mail. Okay, so this is my email. So let's click on this Rara team. You can see it here. I think I have to off this so that I can have a little space on my RAM to run this tutorial. So let me even close it. Okay. And also close this. Okay, so this is it. Rara team. Your purchase ID, your license. Let's download. Download. Okay, let's click here to download it. So I think I'll have to pause this video when my download is done. Okay, it's faster this time around. Let's relax. Okay, so let's go back to here and where is it? Download name software company file. Let's download it. So once we have downloaded it, okay, so it's downloading just few kilobytes of something, few kilobytes of stuff. So let's go back to our admin, and I think we are done with all this. So let's go back to here and Rara team demo import, and then once you click on it, you need to go and import it. Import the folder that you download or the file you downloaded. So you can see this is it. Okay, let's go to demo. Let's go to upload, select the file. I normally don't like dragging the source. I would like to do it. So software company is the name of the folder or the file that I downloaded. So I like doing it manually so that I can show you the simplest way. So this is it. Now click on this and install now. So we are going to wait for it to install the demo. Once it is done, let me go ahead and close this. It's of no use now. So once this is done, we go back, return to demo importer. Installing demo from upload file complete company. The package could not be installed. No valid demo were found. Oh, what is the problem? Let's return back. What is the problem? I think I'll have to extract the folder, the file. Let me just go back here. Let's go back to download and let me be sure of what is happening here. Okay, software company. Let me extract it here. I don't like because I'll still delete all these folders. Let's wait for it to extract. So let's pause the video. Yeah, it is done extracting. Yeah, we are done extracting it. So this is it. Okay, so it's not supposed to be like this, which means the file we downloaded might not be the actual file that is needed to be downloaded. So we have to go back and download again. Let's get back to this dashboard, software company file. Okay, view details and download. Let's see this one. I think we made a mistake during downloading it. We downloaded the wrong file. I think that might be the reason. So let's click here. Why is it not showing me the file to download? It's not even showing me my account. All right, welcome back. This particular team, it has some requirements which I don't want to start now to customize my hosting. So because of it, I am going to select a different team. I'm going to go for this Sydney, and I'm going to activate it. Now, once I activate Sydney, you will see that if we go back to the blog and click on refresh, you notice something. The appearance is going to change in as much as this is still loading. The admin is still inputting the file content here, so it might not be complete immediately. Okay, so this is Sydney, and so you can see the front of the site has already changed. So let's go back to customize, or let's just start free starter site. Let's do this. Let's be fast about this. Let's click here. So it will redirect immediately. Now what I want to do now is I want to get to the demo installer. This is just to show you the basic of all you need to know about WordPress. Okay, but there are several meaning to this. There are other aspects that are more important than using the themes. You can use a theme builder like Elementor. You can use Beaver builder. You can use DV and so on. So, but for this particular training, we are just going to use this. This is pro, this is pro, this is pro, this is pro, this is pro. All these are pros. So let's go to the free one. Let's go to the free one. The free one. Free. So this is free. The promo is free and the shop is free. Okay, I can import this one here. Let's now click on import and let's wait for it to import. Once it is alright, you can see it's successfully imported. Let's get back to this. You can see how it is. Let's refresh it and see what it will look like. So you see it has added the preloader. You can see it has added the preloader, and let's watch. Okay, so this is our website now. You can see how beautiful this is, and very on point and very beautiful website. This is awesome. This is awesome. Now I will show you how you can easily change all these write-ups, change this logo, put your own logo, do whatever you like to this, and you'll have your website complete. Okay, so this is it now, but we're going to customize it, because if you can look at here, so proudly powered by WordPress team Sydney by A teams. Now nobody would like to have something like this, because I know some of you would like to have your website written powered by you or copyright by you. So this is, I'm going to show you in another class how to easily customize a free theme to give you your own copyright. You just adding a little code to the back end of this structure, and you have whatever you want. So let's get to customize. Now customize, we are going to customize this site now. Alright, so this is welcome to Sydney. Click on this pencil and you can see where to change. You can say welcome to Sutomi. Feel free to look around. Okay, let's leave it. Okay, everything is okay. Then responsive, like I said before, you have to leave it at responsive. Okay, click on publish. So you can see click to begin. I don't want to suffer myself. Let's just follow it here. So you can see upload an image. So this is this image here. If you want to change it, you can change it. If you want to add another one, you can add another one. So for me, second slide, let me add an image because this is supposed to be a slide. So for here, I'm going to select an image. Now let's upload an image from the image folder on my C drive, on my desktop, sorry. Then on these, let me go to my image. I'm going to select, I think this one is 1000 by, okay, this is okay. So let's select it. Okay, so once it's done, let's put this aside. Okay, now we choose the image and we have to put up a write-up for the second slide. Proudly powered by Varsity Solution. Professionally dedicated. Okay, so it's the same thing. So you can see it's proudly powered by Varsity Solutions, professionally dedicated. So you can see it's now a slide. Now there is something here. You can see this image is not like this, and it will give us problem because someone cannot read it properly. So I think we have to remove the image and change it, or rather change it. Okay, so let's get to this. Select another image that has an overlay. I think this we do no this. Now let's upload something else. Let's upload something else. Okay, let's select this and click on choose image and let's see how it will look like. Don't worry, it's still loading. It's still loading. Let's just publish this. Okay, so you can see the website now. Everything is set. Let's go back. Header slider, which is this header media menu. I don't need it. You can as well go through all these to customize. So let's go to the footer. How many footer do you want? Let's leave it at 4. Okay, so everything is okay. You can change the colors, you can change the background image, then you set the menu, widgets, the home setting. This is one of the most important things because you want your website to always redirect to the first page, which is the home page. So that is it. So home page should redirect to my front page. Okay, then post should redirect to my blog page. Okay, so this is it. Is well set. And team info, we don't need it. You don't need it. Okay, I think we are done. If you want to change the what is it, the logo Sydney, you can go to, sorry, Mm, you can go to site title and tagline and logo. Then here I will change my site title to what is it, to Tommy, to Tommy, and change this tagline, learn number. I don't want to start typing something so cumbersome. Okay, so let's change the logo. Let's put something. Let's put our own logo. So let's go to upload, and then let's select the file, and then let's I have this logo. Okay, I don't have any good logo here. So for me, I will just I just select any image I like, but here I don't have any good logo. So I think I'll just select any image of my choice. So I'll just select this. Okay, let me select Bitcoin. I just will show you how you can do this. It's not basically the same way I am doing it. You can find your own method and you apply it. The most important thing is that you constantly practice this and learn it. Okay, so let's select this. And once I select this, it will load this website and it will change this logo. So you can see the server is busy, and that's why I am having this cursor that is moving. Once it is done, the whole this thing is going to change. You can see it. Okay, so this is it. So our website is done. I think it looks like something's gone wrong. Wait for a couple of seconds and then try again. Okay. Alright, so let's check this. Let's check through our website. So I have Elementor already, so but I will not talk about Elementor in this course. Elementor, we have its course on its own. Because okay, so this is our website. You can see. Okay, so we are done with this for today. So I hope to see you in our next class. Thank you. Bye.